Rightio, welcome back. Another update from the last video I made. More parts for the Skyline. Starting off, steering wheel, I'll get back into that one later. Turbo beanie, really just to help the heat management in the back or the side of the engine bay. It says there for a XR6 turbo. Reason is I have a Barra turbo in there, which is why it's an internally gated Barra, so that's why I had to get that one there. I hope it fits. I haven't actually test fitted it yet, but that will be pretty sick. It's pretty cool. There you go there. That's from Aussie, which is awesome. Fuel pumps, at the moment I have a Walbro 255. It's good, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, just wanting to go a bit bigger and a bit more powerful. So for the DW300, which hopefully will be able to support what I'm needing. Injectors we're running in it at the moment are the Bosch IV14s, I think they are, and they are 720cc, so hopefully this mixed with that will be a very good mixture, which will be cool. Hardrace, I got engine mounts. It's a non-hicas model, so these are the non-hicas, or hicas, however you would like to say it, engine mounts. So at the moment it is still running completely factory engine mounts. Thought just to go a little bit stiffer there, bit better, bit more engine response would be nice as well. So those are there. Pretty cool part here is the VR38 coil kit from Franklin Peformance. Really cool here. So this is the bracket. Obviously it goes on top, connects in this way, and then that comes with your, so this is the whole kit here. Came with the genuine R35 or the VR38, however you'd like to say it, the genuine coil packs. That's them there. So there's 3 boxes, 2 in each, and that mixes with this. So I went for this colour, so hopefully that will go in there like that, and then that colour, so the black mixed with the chromey sort of just steel finish, stainless finish, will look real nice in the bay because as I said last time, we're doing a black and chrome or stainless finish. So I mean, almost sticking with what the car's looking like at the moment. So that's going to look real cool there. Very excited. So that's Franklin Performance there. Very nice. And then the last thing really is just the rocker cover dress up bolts for the RB. Heaps of different colour styles. I'm keeping it very, very plain and simple. Just black with the stainless bolts. And that's what I've got. Oh, I'll go back into this now. So, I've had this steering wheel for quite a while now. It is as you can see off here, it's from a automatic. I think it is from the Series 2 R34, or like the facelift model. So this is what this is. So I'll go into here. Rightio. So, and yeah, it's just a bit worn. It's the older, so this is a 98. This is the older steering wheel. So my plan here was with this one to upgrade it to that, which I think looks pretty cool. But unfortunately, it has the automatic shift up, shift down, plus and minus. I think it's for automatic anyway. But anyway, what I've been trying to find for a very long time now is a S15 steering wheel, which has these inserts. I think you would describe it as an insert, and you can switch them around, so then it would look like, you know, a manual steering wheel, which should be really cool. And that's the reason why I haven't installed it yet, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna try wait until I get some of these, but I haven't found one. So this old girl steering wheel is staying there. So that's what it looks like at the moment, and this is hopefully what it's going to look like. I think this new one looks real cool. It's in, like, I've never seen one in such good condition before. So there's like absolutely no marks anywhere on it of concern. So that's going to be a really nice little upgrade to the cockpit, because, you know, this is from 98. So some of these things are getting a bit worn out now, like you can see in here, getting a bit worn out. In general though, very good condition. Doesn't have the 3 classes up there because, you know, it's a factory non-tip. Very excited. Excuse my feet. But yeah, this is what's happening. Should be going in very shortly. So it's going into PS Automotive down in Pukekohe, which is South Auckland, and they, well, actually Dan himself, Dan the man, he's going to be doing all of this stuff. So he's done everything in this car as of to date. Had it for I think 5.5 years now. He did the first engine conversion, everything on that. So yeah, I'm taking it back to him because he's amazing. Done an amazing job. Extreme detail involved in all of it. I'll chuck a link of his Instagram page in the description. You can give him a follow because he's, at the moment, got some real cool builds going on. And it's, you know, always interesting to see what he's got. Always something new, which is real cool. But yeah, this is what I've got at the moment. Still all the old stuff, which is in here. Gasket kit up there. Oh, if anyone needs some old turbo parts, I got old Neo parts in here. There's a turbo, injectors. I also have a Niztune ECU. It was on like 210 kilowatt. Pretty basic, nothing like too major, but yeah. This is it. This is the new stuff. And yeah, if you're interested in following more, just give it a follow, give it a like or whatever. If you want any questions answered, just let me know. I'll try my hardest, but yeah, so it's just been undercovers, waiting actually, waiting to go in. And then also I get impulsive and just buy things. But yeah, this will be cool. Sweet as, all good.